guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an iHerb haul. I think it's been well over a year since I've done one of these hauls, but I used to shop on iHerb all the time and recently I reconnected with iHerb. So I purchased a lot of, I guess like keto related items and I wanted to share that with you. There's of course some beauty items, but if you haven't heard of iHerb, it's basically this shop online where you can buy heaps of nutritional things like vitamins, health foods, even skincare, beauty items, things like that as well. But I'm going to share everything that I got with you today. What is in... Oh my god, I've got an eyelash. That's so embarrassing. The first thing that I have here is 100% unsweetened cocoa. That means it's just cocoa, yeah? I think that, you know, following a health journey or whatever, you discover a lot of things and there's a lot of hidden shit in the things that we buy. Whether it be processed or you think it's not processed, it most likely is. You will be shocked at the amount of things that have sugar in them. So this just has cocoa, although it says may contain tree nuts, wheat, soy, milk, and egg. So yeah, switching over all the stuff in my pantry to, you know, not be processed is kind of, you know, where I'm at. Next we have this e.l.f. Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Gold. Now this looks stunning. So that's awesome that it's an eyeshadow because so many people are coming out with these things and they're like, ooh, they're like liquid lipsticks. That is stunning. So pretty. You can kind of see it there. I did film, this was ages ago, I filmed an e.l.f. one brand tutorial and it was just a fail, so I never ended up loading it. But I do have pretty much all of the stuff to do a tutorial. If you'd like to see it, let me know. Almond flour. Now, being on keto, like a keto lifestyle, I noticed that almond flour is in most baking recipes and all we really have here was almond meal in the supermarket. I did find almond flour at Coles and it was $12 for I think 300 grams or something like that. It was ridiculous. So this is 435 grams and I think that this was around $10. I wish that I got more of it. So obviously they use almond flour as a replacement for flour in a lot of things. So I can't wait to get using this in more things. I feel like I need to use it quite sparingly though. That's the only thing. Whereas, you know, flour is usually like $2 for a kilo or something like that. This is quite pricey. Okay, I have this Eco Tool Makeup Brush Cleansing Cloths. A simple daily cleanse for your makeup brushes. I don't know about these. They just say instantly wash away surface makeup, oil, and impurities from your brush to improve their performance for a smoother makeup application. Good for you, good for your brushes. Let's try this maybe. Okay, so it does take off like a little bit. This is a concealer brush, so it does have quite a buildup of product on it. So yeah, I feel like it's just taken away surface makeup. It hasn't like gotten into the nitty gritty of the brush. I might try like an eyeshadow brush maybe because the brush is still quite dirty. Okay, so this brush is an eyeshadow brush. I've only used it this once today. That's not getting anything off of it. Oh yeah. That did actually clean that. It's not in the greatest condition after it. Works a little bit. Oh, this one needs a clean. This one's got quite a bit of product on it. I'd probably prefer the color switch thing that I got from Kmart because this makes your brushes wet, I guess. But yeah, it does work. I don't know in what circumstance you'd want to use these though, you know what I mean? But I just wanted to see if they worked. Whatever will help me keep my brushes clean is good. Okay, so this is a Real Techniques, a starter set for the eyes. I love these Real Techniques brushes. They are so bomb. If you haven't tried them, definitely recommend doing them. They were all the rage like a few years ago and now there's so many different types of brushes, but these ones I have from a few years ago and they are still going on strong. They are definitely worth the money. So it comes with a deluxe crease brush, base, shadow brush, accent brush, fine liner brush, and brow brush. I picked up the Swerve Confectioner's sugar. So this is sugar replacement. So I think that this is like icing sugar. So it's made up from erythritol and then another word that I can't pronounce, and natural flavors. It says that there's a lot of benefits from this. Diabetes friendly, tastes like sugar, easy to digest, tooth friendly, bakes like sugar, non-GMO, gluten-free, measures like sugar. Okay, this little guy is like, these are the best if you're not a wing liner like me. But they're called a makeup remover pen and they're basically, I have one open. This one is a little bit trashed, but Basically what it is it has this tip in it, and it's got makeup remover in it, so you can fix up your winged liner by just like going like this. It's so easy. It's so good. You should get these if they have them in stock. They're only a couple of dollars as well. e.l.f. Eyebrow Kit in medium. I have an ash colored one and I used it recently and it was way too light for me, so I picked up another one. If you didn't know, this side has like a waxy side and then a powder side, although I don't know about that light colored powder. Powder color might be a little bit too light, but anyway, we'll see. e.l.f. Acne Fighting Foundation in beige. I don't know how a foundation could be acne fighting, but I thought I'd try it anyway. It says it's new. This lightweight foundation helps disguise redness, blemishes, and uneven skin tone. Infused with acne fighting key ingredients like salicylic acid, witch hazel, camphor, tea tree, and soothing aloe. Oh, okay, cool. I need that right now. Next, I have these little chocolate chips. These are dark chocolate, dairy, nut, and soy-free, 69% cacao, America's #1 allergy-friendly baking chocolate. I think I saw that someone bought these doing like a keto grocery haul, so I got these ones to try. I don't know if they're any good. They've got unsweetened chocolate cane sugar as the ingredients. I don't know about cane sugar. I don't know if I'm allowed to have that, but I don't know. I guess you meant you should have sugar-free chocolate. Maybe I got the wrong ones. I have no idea. I got this Nature's Way Magnesium Complex. I don't take a daily nutrient, vitamin, whatever. I don't take them, but I did want to start taking some magnesium. I bought some powdered magnesium and I started taking it for a little bit, but then I just like kind of stopped taking it. So I'm actually going to start on this beauty booster thing that I've got that arrived today in the mail. So I maybe need to start a little routine with taking some vitamins and yeah, take some magnesium. Also, magnesium helps with cramping. I haven't actually experienced any cramping, like muscle cramping on keto, just like, you know, the monthly cramping kind of thing. But yeah, it is good for that. Okay, so I got this e.l.f. foundation palette in Fair Light. Something tells me it's not fair or light. So it just comes like this, and then you open it up and that is not fair or light. Surprise! This I would say is for medium skin tones, but I just thought I'd get it and it wasn't very expensive at all. So I have this Zala, xylitol, but I think I have some erythritol as well. Cooks and bakes just like sugar, but it's not, what's the word, granulated? Like caster sugar. It's not fine like caster sugar. Low carb, low calorie, diabetic safe, perfect for coffee, tea, cereal, leaves no aftertaste. I didn't know what to order. Like, I didn't know the different types of sugar and what they were. So I just picked up a few and then I'm like, if I like any of them, I'll just reorder them. Justin's almond butter. It's got like so much oil up the top. I'll probably need to like, I don't know, turn it upside down or something. Almond butter, because I think I found some cookies or something like that had almond butter in the recipe. So I've just got pure almond butter. Ingredients: dry roasted almonds, palm oil. Oh, isn't palm oil bad for you? Or bad the way that they source it? Okay, so this is the organic erythritol. Now this one is granulated, but this one is like caster sugar. I'm hoping that I can make like brownies and my chocolate lava cakes with this, because I just hate stevia. I hate the taste of it. I don't find it pleasant whatsoever. And there are quite a few ingredients that need this and almond flour. So hopefully this is the answer. Okay, so I have this intensive repair foot cream. My feet are so dry at the minute going into winter, and I just need something to put on them because they are so gross at the minute. I'm hoping that this will answer all of my prayers. I'm basically just going to put it on my feet and put some socks on, and yeah, hopefully that works. I did get some more chocolate chips. Now these ones, are these the same? Oh, this is the same brand as the cocoa. So this has unsweetened chocolate, sugar, cocoa, butter, milk fat, soy, vanilla. I know in America you can get sugar-free chocolate, but you can't, I don't think you can get that here unless I haven't looked hard enough. But I went and had a look at their chocolate chips for like cookies or whatever on iHerb, and these two came up as recommended, so I just picked them both up to see what they were both like. And yeah, I want to get baking. My mouth is watering. Now this guy didn't make it through the post. He kind of went everywhere. So this is the Granular Sugar from Swerve. Now I think that this is like the erythritol, like caster sugar. I don't know where it's leaking from, but it is leaking. A lot of people, I think, use this Swerve replacement, so I can't wait to get baking. I also got this Real Techniques brush cleansing gel. I haven't used this one before. Hopefully it works really well. I don't know. It does say designed for deep cleaning with the cleansing power of a concentrate. This formula is laboratory proven to effectively remove nearly all makeup residue. It's not gonna work then. Pixie by Petra. This is a corrector. So excited. My NYX one just ran out actually, so hopefully this one is very salmon colored. It'll get them dark circles so good. Can't wait to use this one tomorrow. I have this Collagen Replenish powder with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. So it's basically a powder and you put it in some water and you drink it, and it helps reduce the appearance of eye wrinkles and improving skin elasticity. So I cannot wait to try this out. It's got a little before and after on there, and I don't know if that's any good, but lastly, we have the Deep Sea Argan Oil Sugar Scrub. Passion fruit guava. Oh my god. I need a candle that smells like this. Passion fruit guava. Oh my god. Okay, cute. I haven't used a scrub in a while. Like, I've just been using the tan remover from Bondi Sands. So that'll be nice to use next time. I feel like having a bath now. I don't know why. Anyway, that is it for my iHerb haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I like. This is exactly what I meant at the start. It has such a range of things. I've got food, vitamins, health food, makeup, beauty items. Like, I've got a whole array of different things here, and it's such a great site. So I do highly recommend checking it out. They have super affordable shipping, mainly if you spend over $40, I think it is. I do have a coupon code listed down below as well if you wanted to save some money. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.